Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning object-oriented PHP, understanding access modifier is essential for writing clean and secure code. Today, I'll cover what access modifier actually are, the exact difference between public, private, and protected, when to use which one in your project. Okay, there are three type access modifier: public, protected, and private. So public, actually the property or method can be accessed from everywhere. This is by default. Means public property can access or public property and method can access everywhere, inside of the class and outside of the class, everywhere. I will give example public access modifier. Okay, so go code editor first. This is my code editor. So this place I will give example public access modifier. Okay, this is a class. Okay, class name is user, and this is a property. Okay, the property dollar name equal to, okay, my name, and this is a method, public method, get name. And this line, uh, this line return this public property. Okay, return dollar this name. Okay, means this is public public variable, and I can access inside of the method, inside of the class and outside of the class. Okay, and this place you can see I can create instance of the class. Okay, instance of the class means when use new keyword. So new keyword, then class name, and assign a variable dollar user. Okay, this is object. Okay, and this variable object variable assign uh, name, means name. This is public variable, this variable. Okay, so this variable actually public, so I can access outside of the class. So this is outside of the class, I can try to access. Okay, so this easily run it, because public variable and or property I can access inside of the class and outside of the class. Okay, everywhere I can access this. Okay, then I use br, means echo to method. In this way I use br, means some break, break will be this will have method. Okay, get name, the get name, this is method inside of class, user class, get name. Okay, and get name inside return dollar this name. So dollar this name is this variable. Okay, and get name not put any value, because already declare value in outside of a method, public dollar name. Okay, this name. So return will be my name. Okay. So this code expect two output. Okay, two output will be same. Okay. So go what output will become as per my code. This is output. Okay, we can see Nilkanto and Nilkanto. Actually, two output, two return value. This way, two value and two output come. Okay, this is example of public access modifier. Okay, so public access modifier means anywhere we can access public property inside of the class and outside of the class, anywhere. Okay, so second I'll discuss protected access modifier. Okay, so protected access modifier, what is this? The property or method can be accessed within the class and by class derived from that class. Means we can access inside of the class and derive class means child class. And both side you can access child class or parent class. Okay, because uh, protected have rule. Okay, so go example. Okay, this is protected properties example. They have also user class and declare a protected variable and or property. Okay, then inside of class one method get name. Okay, protected what have rule? Rule is protected variable access inside of the class or derive class means inherited class can access it. So inside of get name method return this variable $name. So easily access this because initially $name variable declare it, then this class inherited by child class. Okay, I can use extend keyword and extend keyword uh, parent all method and characteristics go to child class. Okay, so this is child class and inside a child class have one method show name. Okay, and then return the variable dollar this name. Okay, this also access this because deriv class can access the parent uh, method. Okay, and this create instance of child class using new keyword and then access the new show name is method. So it's totally accessible because uh, return uh, inside of class. Okay, and inherited class both side return it, so it easily accessible. So I only one method declare show name. Okay, So show name, what will be value? Okay, my name will be output. So go browser, what will be output? Okay, this is output. Means only one variable put output. Okay, from child class. So this is one example of protected. Okay, protected access modifier. And that will be discussed uh, private property. Third will be discussed private property. So what private property? Private property, the property or method can only be accessed within the same class and they are defined. Means private property only access inside of class. Okay, only inside of class can access, other than not. Okay, so private property or method only access inside of the class. So go in editor. अच्छा अच्छा, this is a example of private property or method. So private, inside of class I declare dollar password equal to password name, and inside have one method show password. Okay, and so inside of show password return a password, then create a instance of user class, and then user class access the method dollar user assign show password. So this code will be run because already returned the value inside of class. Okay, if you try private password in outside of class, this this is not acceptable because this try to declare outside of class. Outside class is not uh, permitted outside of the class. Only inside method and property can access. Okay, inside of class. So go to the browser and run it. Okay, output password output come because what happened is private private property access inside of the class. Okay, only inside of class only this accessible, other than not. So this another example. Okay, uh, public, protected, and private, three access modifier. Okay, so thank you.